Last next we have Bibo. Songmin? Oh, hi, great.
Hello, my name is Sung. I'm the CEO of Beeble. Yeah, I'm the CEO of Beeble, which is a secure communication ecosystem for Web3. So what's the trouble in Web3 at the moment? One of them being the lack of communication tools in Web3. So right now, there are not much practical wallet-to-wallet communication window. And existing chat channels like Discord or Telegram, they're really hard to utilize the on-chain data. So when the dApps come to other communication channels to utilize the on-chain data to reach out to other wallets or any communication system using the on-chain data, then it becomes extremely costly for them to build in-house of all those development and dependency. So then what is Beeble? So Beeble is a wallet-to-wallet communication, which is extremely secure using the end-to-end encryption, which includes the web version and the mobile version, but this is not our core. So our core is being pluggable. We are a SDK and API provider of building any messaging channels to any kind of dApps who would want to integrate us using the wallet-to-wallet communication channels. So then what would be the practical solutions here? I mean, practically, what can be used towards? One of them being NFT marketplace. So existing NFT marketplaces, it's really hard to reach out to the buyers for when you want to actually do a price negotiation or a business collaboration for any purposes, which is impossible at the moment. Well, we would want to allow these NFT marketplaces to integrate a chat box using our SDK and APIs as simple as one line of code into their dApp. And other than that, maybe it could be also used towards the customer support, which we had a really good positive feedback from our existing partners that we will want to allow the users to reach out to their admins. On the other hand, provide a really nice dashboard where they can use towards as a CRM tool, managing all the on-chain data and prioritize their customers, which is extremely scalable, and that's what all about the CRM is. So that's the second use case, where we also have a couple of other use cases, more like a Web3 Bloomberg chat, where a chat box can be integrated with DeFi, or also towards any P2E games. So I can tell because I was also CEO of a game studio before, and I know how important being a social UX integrated to a game is. Not only Web3 games, but also every single game. So we can allow using our profile APIs to have them make friends using the wallet signatures and see who's online and offline. And maybe they could initiate a party game or PvP game. And leveraging our chat APIs, they can even use the in-game chat using our chat API to allow their users to talk to each other, to their teammates or their opponents. So yeah, those were some potential use cases, how people could be used towards. And what's the plan? Yeah. So we've been pretty much focusing on the product development so far in the half year. And Q3, we've been making a bunch of partnerships with different NFT marketplaces or games. And in Q4, we're trying to aim to go mobile because eventually we want to become the Web3 messenger, where for the daily messenger, of course, you always need a mobile app. So that's the plan for Q4. And who are the competitors? So we have a bunch of Web3 messenger platforms. But that said, Blockscan, for example, here, they've been around for 8 to 9 months providing the messenger, which absolutely so far is proven to be unsuccessful. They have no traction, and we've been researching why. Why such a feature, having wallet-to-wallet messenger, is not working at the moment. It's mostly because of chicken and egg problem. Because when, say, you're trying to reach out to other wallet address and there's no reply, then there's no purpose of a messenger platform, right? That's how we're trying to solve by being a module. So being a module is a huge part of our go-to-market strategy, to plug into other Web3 apps or dApps and consume their user retention and traction to become ours. Eventually, we will want to be independent, but right now we would want to make the messenger more useful by plugging into other decentralized applications. And other like examples like Sandburr, Zendesk, they're more like Web 2 compatibilities of what we are doing. And I can tell that because of the on-chain data relationship and the data providers and also the spam filtering functions that we provide, which is something like, oh, this guy, and the random guy cannot send me a DM without having like 10 ETH in their wallet. So that's something that we provide as a privacy setting. So given those functionalities that our partners really love, that we truly think that we are at least better serving to the Web3 customers than the Web2 compatibilities. So lastly, we have the team. So myself being an engineering background for my full career from the finance industry, mainly from Citadel and Goldman, being a software engineer at Quant. And before that, as I mentioned, I was a CEO of a game studio called Madboy Games, which I did together with the second guy called Jungwoo. He's my high school friend. We've been doing multiple startups together, including the game startup, while he also went towards like serving as a lead dev in different startups as well. Lastly, we have Chanyeok. He is my university classmate, also from the finance background, serving as an engineer at JP. So we are a really strong engineering team, and also we have a couple of other like stronger teams as well, including 3 additional engineers, 2 business developers helping me reach out to other businesses, and also 1 UI UX designer from Microsoft and Facebook. So that's like the strong team that we have. And yeah. Thanks for listening. And for any kind of purpose, if you want to reach out to me, you can Telegram me or email me. Thank you.